Hi everyone. Today we are back with a new video, and this time for Claude Cowork. This is a new release from a few weeks ago, and what I'm gonna show you today is a really nice productive type of workflow. So imagine what you've been doing so far, which is you go and research data, documents, PDFs, reports, etc. online. You go and then save them on your downloads folder or documents folder, and then you go and read and try to create a synthesis out of it, and it just stuck in there without really making a good output of it. So what we're gonna do here is basically automate that from end to end. It's literally the full workflow from processing those findings to creating brief notes, and then repurposing that content and those notes into digital copy, for example, for LinkedIn or Twitter, etc. So how does this work? You need the app installed first, the Claude desktop app. And once you installed it, you will have this tab called Cowork. And this is basically a version of the chat app and the Claude Code app in a single model. And the purpose of this to run autonomously a certain number of tasks. So you've probably seen, okay, organize my folder, etc., which is very basic, helpful of course, but for me it's still very basic. And what we're gonna do here is everything works inside specific folders. So you can see mine is a dedicated one. Why dedicated? So you can keep control, you don't make mistakes. If Claude Cowork is trying to go outside, it won't have those permissions. So you have another layer of safety that within this sandbox or playground or this folder, you are good to go. And in this Claude Cowork, I have three basically specific folders, as you can see here. I have number one, my papers, where I'm basically saving all my PDFs. I have my brief notes, which are basically a two-pager summary of this type of report. And by reports, I mean white papers, academic articles, research papers, surveys, financial report, etc. And those are structured in a way that I use every day. And from there, we have a third one, which is repurposing those reports and brief notes into LinkedIn content using my own style and skill and voice and requirements. So how this is gonna work is a simple specific prompt, natural language. Please review the papers folders, which is my 001 papers folder, where I have all my PDF, and by PDF I mean could be PowerPoints, docs, any text format, etc., in order to provide brief notes that will be saved in the 002 brief notes folder. For that, you're going to use a skill, and this is the skill I built for the synthesis work that goes on a specific set of steps and requirements, the type of structure and the template. And from there, for each brief note, we're gonna use another skill for LinkedIn writing in order to create that specific dedicated LinkedIn draft, and those drafts will be saved in the folder 3. And that's it. You give it the run, and you'll see that Claude Cowork will create a certain tracking list of tasks in order to show you the progress. It's gonna start, of course, by processing the paper, so transforming the PDF, extracting the content, structuring, parsing it, etc. As you can see, it's exploring the folder structure and identifying the relevant PDFs. Even if there is, for example, another formats like zip files or other, it's gonna just focus on those. And already identified the 9 PDFs. You can see here the progress is already mapped, identifying unprocessed PDF, processing remaining PDFs through synthesis skill, and from there transform each new brief note into a LinkedIn draft. And then add another layer of verification. As you see here below, verify all outputs are properly saved in designated folders. The progress is happening, and then it's taking basically one report at a time. And you can see here what was done. And in terms of context, we have the skill that is being used, the synthesis brief. And the whole journey here is done automatically, meaning all you need is one, you create that structure of the folder on your own Mac, and then prompt it. If you need those skills, you can use those skills. I highly recommend to have your own custom skills whenever you have those patterns and repetitive type of instruction, so you can document them, freeze them in a very specific skill, so that it's basically always the same consistent output that you can find, be it a visual output, text output, writing output, a structure output, etc. Now you can see that the Cowork is basically processing one file at a time, so we're gonna give it a bit of time ahead, and we'll see in a few minutes the next steps. And now you can see, once the process has been automated, even Claude can start using sub-agent to process the remaining PDFs in parallel. And in that case, once it's done, you can see that the LinkedIn content transformer skill has been added, and that's where it's focusing right now, creating LinkedIn drafts from the briefs. So this is the whole process, and we're gonna see in a few seconds the output. Everything here is basically shared as an MD file, because then I can edit it, I can use it in Obsidian, I can save it, I can reprocess it with Claude without major overhead. But overall, you can see that in a few minutes you can go through a whole set of documentation, market research, academia, etc. Give it the right guardrails, and Claude Cowork can take that off your desk and start basically getting the job done properly. And here we finished the progress. Basically, as you can see, everything is verified, and we're waiting for the final result and recap from Cowork. In the meantime, let me show you quickly some of the samples. So these are the PDFs. We have the brief notes here, and for each brief note we have a TLDR. This is the first paragraph, and then we have the key intel. This is the instruction I gave the skill and designed the skill in a way to make it repeatable and use this specific skeleton. Then the findings and statistics, we have the numbers here. And then we have the key recommendation, what does that mean? And then the implications in terms of what we can leverage, what we can apply, etc. If we take another item, you can see TLDR, key intel, findings and statistics, and key recommendation and implication, always the same. Can be also structured in subsection, which is great. And finally, we take the LinkedIn drafts, and this is basically, as you can see, we have the 9 drafts. If we take this Capgemini multi-year AI advantage LinkedIn draft, CEOs stopped asking if they should invest in AI. Now they are asking how fast they can scale it. So we have a really good 2-liner opening with the right hooks. With additional input. I want this content to be clear. You can even read it on your mobile, and it follows basically the same approach. So here, basically, the three steps: the research and analysis, the summarizing and the synthesis, plus the content production has been done from end to end with Claude Cowork. And you can see finally the workflow summary that it provided in terms of checklist, what has been done so far, the output deliverables, where they have been saved in each dedicated folder, and the processing methodology, etc. Of course, you can improve on this. But overall, if you have a very structured, repeatable type of process, I would highly recommend for you to take 30 minutes to go over it, to identify where are the key areas that you can delegate to Cowork, and basically start offloading that to focus on the quality control of the output, and then optimizing the rest of your daily activities. Hope this helpful, and see you in the next video.